Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rate go to Rams, now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you the newest truck on our lot. It's a 2019 Ram 2500 Bighorn, so let's take a peek. Under the hood, you do have your 6.7 liter diesel engine. It is all fully color matched in the front with a 360 camera and rock guarded bumpers, front park sensors and tow hooks, LED headlights on this one as well as some fog lights. We do have 20-inch black wheels on this truck, some running boards and mud flaps, as well as tow mirrors that flip out, and they do have blind spot monitoring in them. It is a crew cab, and then you're going to get the 6.4 box on this one as well. Again, all color matched all the way around. 2 backup cameras. It does have aftermarket airbags. You have a hitch receiver, wiring, more park sensors in the back, with a soft drop tailgate, and then you also have some bed lighting. So now we're just going to go check out the inside. Inside the truck you are going to have cloth seats. These are heated seats, and then you do have a dual glove box, one right here and then another one right here. This one does lock as well if you want it to. 8.4-inch screen on this truck with the Alpine sound system. You can get Sirius XM, and then just click your favorites right up there to save them. Dual climate control on this truck, and you can access it on the screen or with these little dials. You are also going to have a heated seat and wheel right here. Trailer brake controller, and then the buttons for your front and rear park sensors right there. CD player, and then you have some plugins right there. A 115 volt all the way down here. Whole bunch of storage in this truck, and then you can also move this forward, just kind of keep it wherever you want. Even more storage right here. Then a 12 volt right up top. Sunglasses holder. And then all your buttons for your power sunroof right here. You're also able to shut the shade if you want to. And then you have the nice black headliner. On the door right here, you're going to have automatic power windows in the front and then power windows in the back. You can lock the windows as well if you have kids or pets, anything like that. Power locks, and then also power folding mirrors that are heated. You can adjust either one just by clicking left or right and then using this little keypad here. And you are also able to adjust the outer mirror as well if you like. 4-wheel drive in this truck. Cruise control, Bluetooth, pretty standard. But other than that, we're going to go check out the back seat now. In the back seat, you do have the cloth seats again. You do have a little cup holder right here. And then they did add extra ones right off the center console here. And there's also a little slot where you can put like a tablet or whatever you want so it doesn't slide around. Rear vents for the passengers. Again, more plugins and another 115 volt right there. You can fold these seats up if you like as well. And then you're going to have more storage on this side. And then a sub on that side. These do also fold out flat if you want. Then underneath these floor mats that do snap in, you're going to have in-floor storage. And the compartment does come out if you spill anything, so that's kind of handy. It does come with a brand new winter front as well. Heated rear window in this one, and you do also have a rear slider, as well as some hooks right here, interior lighting, little storage in the back there as well. And then again on the doors. But if you want to make this truck yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.